How to apply eye cream, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical phrase, apply eye cream. Whether you're interested in beauty routines or just want to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how to use it in everyday conversation. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your practical language skills. Apply eye cream is a phrase that combines a verb, apply, with a noun, eye cream. It's often used in beauty and skincare contexts. To apply means to put or spread something onto a surface, in this case, the skin around your eyes. Eye cream is a type of skincare product specifically designed for the delicate skin around the eyes. It's used to moisturize, reduce dark circles, and minimize signs of aging. This section will explore the meanings of apply and eye cream, individually and in combination. Now, let's see how to incorporate apply eye cream into sentences. This will help you in both understanding and using the phrase accurately. We'll look at examples like, I apply eye cream every night before bed, and can you recommend a good eye cream to apply for dark circles? These sentences will show the phrase in action, demonstrating its practical usage in everyday conversation. Understanding the cultural and contextual significance of skincare in English-speaking countries can be fascinating. In this section, we will discuss how skincare routines, including applying eye cream, are perceived in different cultures. We'll also touch upon the importance of self-care and how phrases like apply eye cream fit into broader conversations about health and wellness. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, apply eye cream, and how to use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning such practical phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and confidence in English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.